Hey guys, Ryan Goodman here, president of ConnectBooster. Just on my way up to the office to work. We have everyone sent home except just a couple of us executives who are definitely practicing social distancing while we're dealing with these really unprecedented times, right? What we're finding inside of our organization is that we're having people reach out that we haven't talked to in a long time that are realizing just how important electronic payments are inside of their business, and they don't have them set up now and they need help. Credit card and ACH, and each one of them has their own specific purpose. So ACH is really inexpensive way to accept an electronic payment and take control of your cash flow while people are not sending checks, right? It's taking that checking information, turning it into an electronic transaction and allowing you to keep that lifeblood inside of your business, which is cash flow. The other thing is a credit card. We've had several existing partners reach out about credit card that are using ACH only, and the reason being is because a credit card allows your customer to self-finance if maybe they're having some cash flow issues of their own in this time. So we're here to help on either of those fronts, but interestingly enough, I mean, people are realizing just how important it is to have an electronic or electronic payment methods available to make sure that their MSP's cash is flowing into their business. Now, the thing I'd like to do, if you're not working with us today, I want to make it a little bit easier to get set up with us. We'd like to offer $200 off of our implementation fees for you guys. The sales team is prepped on that. They understand that we're going to be doing that, so make sure to mention, but they should also be talking to you about that. If you're a business that doesn't need a full-blown, ConnectBooster solution, portal, all the accounting automation, all that, and you simply just need access to credit card services or ACH services in these times of madness where we can't, our normal daily workflow is completely thrown off, and if you're not getting paid and you need help to do that electronically, reach out to us here. Our number is 877-733-6584. You can always reach out to info@connectbooster.com as well. So hoping that we can help your business deal with these tough times and make sure that cash keeps coming in the door, as well as allow your customers to potentially self-finance through credit card as a payment method, or if you're not getting checks, help you guys set up ACH. Reach out if there's anything that we can do. Thanks guys, take care.